Hi everyone, and thanks for joining me today. A huge apology because these videos are going up, the next couple of videos are going up rather late. They should have been done over the weekend, but as you probably all know, I had a really upsetting week last week with Franny breaking a leg, and I'm just trying to play catch up. Now this is for the April-May Subbie challenge. It is the last entry, and it did arrive before the 31st, which was the closing date. It's just that I hadn't got round to filming it, and I had so much on, so I'm doing it now. So I am opening this with you. I have no idea what's in here, so let me just be very careful in opening this up. Let's get into it, Charles? Oh my gosh, now let me just find the card. Oh, look at that with the angel, the cherub on there. And let me just read what's in here. Oh bless. This is from the lovely Joanne, and she was just saying that she hopes I really like what's in here, and she said I might need some Kleenex handy. And look at this gorgeous cherub there. Oh my gosh, this is going in a journal. Oh my gosh, so this is from the lovely Joanne Sanderson. I've just dropped that on the floor. And this is for the challenge, so I will add everything up at the end. So oh my gosh, there's so many things in here. I do not know where to start. Oh look, this is for the grandkiddies. Oh, they're bubbles. Oh how cute are they? They're little wedding cake bubbles for me to take away. Oh, how lovely is that? Oh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, there are so many things in here. I really don't know where to start. Right, so let's go. This is something blue. Look, she's got a little smiley face on here as well. So let's have a look. Lovely blue satin ribbon. Look, she's done it all colour coded. Oh, we've got some gorgeous blue fabric. Oh, that is hilarious in the way that I only just ordered a blue garter, and actually that's actually prettier than the one I've got. Oh, how cute is that? It's a bride garter. Oh, I love it. Thank you so much. And it's lovely blue. Right, Charles, this is now not the time, sweetheart. Some lovely blue lacy fabric that is very vibrant and blue. Right, so what I'll do is I'll add up all of the points and tell you them later. So there, my something blue, and I now have another garter, so I have two to choose from now. What's this one? Oh, this is something love themed, so we've got a lovely love heart there. Oh, these are all packed up so lovely. And what I'll be doing, I will be doing the winners video after this. Oh, what's this? Oh, look. To love and to cherish, to have and to hold ribbon. Isn't that gorgeous? With some lovely keys and hearts. And there's a pack of gorgeous hearts. Oh, they're lovely. Oh, heart fabric. Look at all this. Oh, this is yummy. This lovely, what do you call it, organza fabric with hearts on. And then we have this. Oh, look at that. This is scrumptious. Look at this. So much gorgeous fabric. Loving it, loving it, loving it. And then there is a poem here. Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud, it is not rude, it is not self-seeking, it is not easily angered, it keeps no record of wrongs. Love does not delight in evil, but rejoices with the truth. It always protects, always trusts, always hopes, also perseveres. love never fails. Oh, I just love that. Oh, that's going to go in one of my journals, probably my wedding journal. That is just adorable. Oh, look, she's even put heart tissue paper. Look. How organised are you, Joanne? Honestly, I am never this organised. Trust me. I'm not. I'm never this organised. Right. Oh, my goodness me. Where are we going now? Oh, I need to just get this out of here. Oh, something lacy. So we have in here, let's have a look what we've got. Oh my goodness me, look at that butterfly. Oh, look, she has stuck them on herself. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh, look at that butterfly. Wow. Wow, she has stuck them on herself. Aren't they beautiful? Isn't that beautiful? I've got some of these embroidery butterflies and I never even thought to stick on things like that. That is just stunning. Oh, look at Charles in the corner there, look. And we've got this lovely lace here and some lovely blue lace. They are just gorgeous. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Oh, what's that one? Let's keep that one. Oh, this is bride and groom. So we have, let's have a look what we've got in here. I've got these die cuts, which I won't get those all out. Ow. So let's have a look what this, oops, knocked my camera. Oh, so many goodies in here. Have a look. I'm going to pull these out. We have these die cut sheets with a bride and a groom and wedding dress to do some decoupage. So there's a decoupage sheet there. And then we have some more of this. Oh, this is Mr. and Mrs. ribbon. Oh, these are going to look so good in my out journal. Oh, look at this. What's that say? Now that you are in, don't know. Oh, but it's a lovely old postcard. Heartiest congratulations. May your troubles be little ones. Oh, I just love that. Oh my goodness me. This is so going in my journal. I just love it. Oh, that is just gorgeous. An old vintage postcard. Oh, look at that couple on there. I love that. Oh, and then we've got a wedding sticker book. Oh, look at all these stickers. All these sticker sheets. Just married, tie the knot, wedding. Oh, I love it. I have some of the, I've actually got a sticker holder for these Hobbycraft ones. It's going in there. Ah, right, you are going to have to go if you're going to be nasty. Right, let me just, right, you need to move because you're being horrible. What's this one? Oh, something old and special. Right, I'm going to hold on to that one for a minute. Right. Oh my gosh, this is just never ending. Right, we have something blingy. So, oh, in here, oh my gosh, look at these. We have lots of delicious bling. Oh, look at these love hearts on this chipboard. Aren't they lovely? Oh, they're super blingy. They are. There's two of those. And then we have some lovely blingy coloured bling. And some lovely silver sparkly. Excuse me. I love these hearts. Look. Delicious. Right, so they're my blingy things. Oh, no. One's on the floor. I need to go pick that up. Oh, so much thought has gone into each and every one of your entries. I honestly cannot believe how wonderful you have all been, and I have loved all of them. Let me just excuse me, get down and pick that up. I'm forever dropping things. I don't know. I love those hearts. They're super cool. Right, let's put that in there. And then we have something pearly. Excuse me. So, oh look. Oh, look what she's done. I've just seen. Oh, one of them's come off. I presume that would have been a T, because look, she's done a C and she's done another one. So I'm thinking that they would have been a C and a T, but I think a couple of the pearls have come off, and there's a string of pearls. Look, oh, delicious, oh, lovely. Oh, super cute. I will find some pearls and I will fix them, because I think they've come off in transit. Wow, I think you've got every single section here. What's this one? Oh, something flowery and handmade. Oh, let's have a look in here. Oh, it's like Christmas. Oh. Oh, look, it's a little posy. Look, it's a mini bouquet. How beautiful is that? Oh my gosh. That is just, oh my love, I love it, I love it, I love it, I love it. Oh, how cute is that? You are so clever. Seriously, I wouldn't even know where to start with these things. That is just beautiful. I will treasure that. That is just absolutely, that's absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh, I am going to cherish that one. Oh my gosh, I'm going to cherish everything. But you know what I mean. Oh, I love it. Oh, so much thought. So much thought. Right, which one should I open now? We have this one here. I don't know what this is. Right, let me try and get in here. Oh, let's have a look. Right, let's put that down there. Original handmade with love, and this is handmade. Oh. Oh gosh, they're all wrapped up so lovely. Oh, look. Oh. Tony and Channelle, 27th of June 2019. Oh my gosh, that is just beautiful. Oh, look at the work that has gone into this. To Channelle and Tony, a little something I've made for you to celebrate your special day. Sending you much love and happiness, Joanne. Oh, this is just precious. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. Thank you so much. The amount of time that's gone into making this as well. I will treasure that. You know where that's going to go, don't you? That is going on my wall. Oh my gosh. Wow. Look at this lovely, gorgeous lace and pearls and lots of flowers and this gorgeous butterfly. Oh, I just absolutely love it. Thank you so much. I will truly treasure all of these things. You're so talented, honestly. More talented than I will ever be. Trust me, trust me, trust me. And this is something old and special. The copy of a photo is of my mum and Nana on my mum's wedding day. Oh. Oh, so look, we have all these lovely fabric pieces. Oh, they look really old as well. Look at these vintage like fabric swatches almost. Oh my gosh, these delicious. I love my vintage things. Oh, look at them, look at them. They are just adorable. Oh, they're cigarette cards, look. Oh, wow, I've never seen anything like those before. And then we have an old postcard, a couple of old postcards here. Oh, look at that. I just love, she knows I love my vintage things. Oh, that's her mum and her nan. Isn't that adorable? Oh, I just love it. I absolutely love it. I love everything. And what's in this box here? Oh, what is that? Oh, bless. It says to Channelle, this necklace belonged to my lovely Nana. She had quite a few strings of pearls, lol. Not sure if they're real, but I doubt it. Anyway, I thought I'd send some to you as you've become a lovely special friend. And I know you will appreciate the sentiment value they have for me. Much love, Joanne. Oh, it's just beautiful. Oh, I just absolutely love it. And I do absolutely appreciate the sentiment behind that. I mean, I will wear these at some point throughout my honeymoon, I promise you. I just absolutely love them. And yes, you are my special friend. And yes, I needed Kleenex again. They're just beautiful, absolutely stunning. And I just, oh, honestly, I'm speechless again. You are right. You knew I would need the Kleenex. I will treasure these forever. Honestly, I promise you I will. Thank you so much. I know how special they must be to you, and that you would part with them for me to have. Everything that you've made, Joanne, and everything that you've sent, just absolutely stunning. You've gone above and beyond, as you all have. Oh my goodness me, you're making me a blubbering mess. What are you like? Oh, right, I'm going to take a break for a second, and I'm going to pause this video, and I'm going to come back and let you know how many points I'm going to award Joanne. In fact, what I'll do is I won't add it onto the end of this video. When I do the winners video later on today, I will let you know how many points Joanne got and everyone else as well, because I need to sit down and do it all. And then I will do a random number picker to pick one of you to win all of those lovely goodies that we have. This has just been so much fun. I have been so spoiled. I have had such wonderful things sent to me, and I truly cannot thank you all enough. You have got my heart, all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you, Joanne, for your lovely entry. And you are so-and-so for making me cry again. I'm going to go now, and I will be back later. Thank you all. Take care. Bye-bye.